Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do our top 5 med ball slam variations. Our first med ball slam variation is going to be the power slam. So for this, we're going to take the ball, we're going to put it right over our head, come up to our toes, and then as we slam, we're going to hinge at the hips, bend at the knees, and lower our body into a power stance. Bring the ball right back up to above our head, and do the same. For our rotational slam, we're going to bring the ball right above our head, twist our torso, slam to the side. Mid-slam, our hips are going to snap to 90 degrees right where we're throwing the ball. Grab the ball back above our head, twist our torso, and as we slam, our hips snap right back into that 90-degree stance. For a rotational lunge slam, we're going to bring the ball over our head, step back into a lunge. As we step back into the lunge, we're slamming over our up leg. Catching the ball, coming back up, stepping back, slamming over or across the up leg. So it's going to look like this. For a kneeling lateral wall slam, we're going to sit down into a lunge. We're going to throw across our up knee. We're going to throw slightly at an angle, that way it bounces off in front of us. Catch it and throw. So for kneeling overhead wall slam, we're going to try to stay on just our knees with a straight line from our knee to our shoulders. Bring the ball overhead, throw and catch. Now there you have a quick tutorial of our top 5 med ball slam variations. I'm going to put the list of the exercises in the description below. And if you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 med ball slam variations, throw them in your routine and let me know what you think.